sensory overload.
Are you joking?
You're literally going to my side.
It's gonna tickle a little bit.
I know. I need to mentally prepare myself
You're
for
so
this.
cute, literally. One, literally. Guys, she's killing it.
Don't lie.
No. I'm gonna bend down so I look shorter.
No, you
no, like so it's even, it'll look good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to learn how to become a makeup artist. I have the amazing Crystal over here.
Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. We're so excited for today's video. I'm gonna teach Nariman
Tips and tricks and hacks on my beautiful friend Anna. You've seen her in my other video, but she's gonna be the model today. How long have you been a makeup artist for?
this is my 9th year doing makeup.
So she has a lot of experience. The plan is, so I'm gonna do this side of her face and Crystal's gonna do the other side. She's gonna talk me through the whole steps because I'm not great with makeup. I'm not good at eye makeup, and she told me that most people are actually better at eye makeup compared to you know, the foundation and stuff. I'm the opposite. I can do my face, my eyes, forget about it.
So today looks like we're gonna be heavily focusing on the eyes and the liner, the way we angle it, and then we'll get into the base straight after. But we do want to make it a full-on glam, but still giving it like that softness, to it, because I don't want, wait, what's your name? How do you say name? Anna. Anna, I'm so sorry.
I'm keeping that in the video.
Yeah. Oh, you're so slow. I want to make sure Anna still looks like herself, but glammed, and also just enhancing her features rather than making it look like the makeup is sitting on her face. So Anna has lash extensions, and I just use some individual lashes to fill in some gaps. And what we've done so far, we've just shaped her brows. We haven't filled them in at all, just carved them with concealer. For eyeshadow, the first step I like to teach is understanding the sizes of brushes. When we go into eyeshadow, I like to start with the lightest color. So whether you're doing a brown, a pink, or a mauvey shade, go with the lighter shade and also with a bigger fluffy brush.
Okay.
When you go in with darker shades, you go in with a smaller defined brush. Yes, and then that allows you to have a little bit more control of where you're putting the darker colors.
Come closer to the...
Sorry.
What happens if you mess up and you want to get rid of powder or...
When it comes to eyeshadow, it's easier to, when you mess up, you can blend it out, blend lighter colors. So sometimes I do use concealer if it's that bad. I'll just kind of cover up the section if I went a little bit too high or a little bit too down. I'll cover a bit with concealer, powder, and then go over with a lighter shadow. Okay. So I'm going to do eyeliner first, and I always use a shadow for everyone's...
Oh, we're doing eyeliner first?
Eyeshadow and eyeliner.
Okay.
And then base.
So eyeshadow, eyeliner, base. You're doing great, don't worry.
I'm doing that as well. I'm going to base most of her eyeshadow around a bronzer palette. So this is the Ben Nye bronzer palette. There's not much technique involved in this. I'm just going to grab quite a bit of that. And lightly, we're going to go back and forth into the crease, and we're going to warm up the crease. Now we're going to go with a slightly darker shade. We're going to go with a smaller, dense brush. The 4th shade over here. We're going to focus it more on the outer V and then halfway into the crease. Now with the leftover on the brush, I'm going to lightly just flick it out because it's less shadow, so it's not going to look harsh. And then we're going to go with the darkest. It's going to go with this one over here. This one is literally more just on the outer V, and we're also going to come in more in the outer V. Really, like when it comes to eyeshadow, we're like contouring the eye. And then I'm going to go back in with that really big fluffy brush with whatever's left over on it, and I'm just going to lightly sweep through everything together. All the way from the front, I'm going to bring it all the way back, but I'm not adding any product. We're going to grab a nude shadow, and we're going to place this on her mobile lid.
Is that actually a name?
It's called the mobile lid.
Okay, that part is the mobile lid.
Yeah, so we're just going to lightly, and with the matte, you're always dabbing. So don't press and swipe. You only press and swipe with like shimmers.
Motions? But you're doing it like the 4th one, and then you do like a triangle, right?
So when you do, I want you to try to keep the brush on her eye without lifting it, yeah? Guys, she's killing it.
Don't lie. Let me see your side. I think mine's better.
Yeah, I can't disagree.
Next step.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to darken Anna's outer ends of her eye. This one here.
Okay, the brown.
Brown. And we're focusing on the outer end, the lower lash line mainly. So I'm just going to connect that from where her crease is. Straight past. See, like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ooh.
So give it a little bit of like a semi-cut crisp but soft.
Okay, it's my turn now.
So don't be scared. I want you to even if you do this, like use your other hand. Do. Alright, and this is, we're gonna go, is it going now? So I'm literally gonna go from the outer corner of her eye. We're gonna create a I'm using very light pressure a line like that. It's gonna tickle a little bit.
I know. I didn't mentally prepare myself.
You're
for
so
this.
cute, literally. One, literally. Looking at the floor, I'm just gonna do it right and then I've got the thumb. High five. Next thing, I
Oh,
reckon.
the inside. We're going to the inside.
Oh, shit, you remind me.
I want to torture you. You're
I'm not letting you.
not gonna let me do the eye thing.
Do you want me to do it?
You're so rude.
No, do it to yourself. No, do it to yourself.
Change their mind on lipstick this, even if it's on the date.
But let's say you've done the trial and then they
Are you fanning yourself or me?
I was gonna say she's fanning herself.
Oh my god.
With people who are more,
Yeah,
it's
that's
gonna
true.
show more.
Yeah.
So the moisturizer, serum, and eye cream. And now we're gonna go in with the foundation, and we're gonna use Clinique foundation. I'm gonna apply the foundation in dots everywhere on Anna's face. So never use it straight from the applicator.
Why?
On yourself, it's fine.
Oh.
Because then if I'm putting it on her face,
Oh,
I'm gonna
you're
back
putting
it
it
back.
back,
Yeah. And I'm just gonna dot 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the same brush. Dab.
Dab.
So not swiping,
Dab.
but dabbing. So just dab, just like this. See how I'm light like that? Hands up, guys. We're doing good. Can you make sure you stick to your side?
You're not.
Sensory overload.
Are you doing this? And we're probably pressing at different rates.
You really are.
And with me, I like to.
You're literally going to my side.
I'll go in with concealer, cream contour, cream blush. Are you okay?
That's why.
I'm so sorry.
We do
Can
foundation.
you do a nose contour?
I guess I can,
Oh,
my
I
darling.
love nose
I've
contour.
Alright.
She lets her concealer sit, but
Yeah, the deeper shade I use more of a peach undertone, so it counteracts darkness under the eye. You only use a little bit and you only place it where the darkness is, so I only place it around here. After I do the darker shade, I'm going to go in with the lighter highlighter shade, and I'm going to dab that in the upside down triangle shape to really highlight the under eyes. And the reason to do this is you end up using less concealer as well. So instead of going in with the lighter shade and you're trying to cover and adding more, one, you might end up with like a grey undertone, like an ashy kind of shadow under the eyes, because you're not using something to actual color correct the darkness. Rather you're just going in straight into the light color. With concealer, I like to let it set for like a minute or two overall, so it kind of lets it work and kind of sink into the skin. And then when I blend it out, I don't blend so much or move the product, I'm just kind of pressing it into the skin.
Oh, okay.
Alright, now cream contour. I'm going to use the Kryolan in shade Walnut. So we're going to go from the temples. It may look like really dark at first, but we're going to blend it like that. The outer edge of her face. Then we're going to do her cheekbone. So from the top of the ear down to halfway direction of her lips, like this. And up to the temples. And then with the leftover, only a little bit on the jawline. I'm laughing because you're so like gentle.
I'm trying not to do too much.
No, it's good. You're doing about push it like this.
Oh.
Yeah. Spreads a bit more, and then up perimeter, then you're doing it down. It's like I'm doing the perimeter of the forehead. I'm gonna grab a bit more product for you, baby.
Yeah. And then which her side?
No, I'm gonna grab this fine.
I feel like when Crystal does her makeup, it's just shapes, like
You're so
perfect
cute.
triangles, and mine's just like.
So we're lightly dabbing, just like this, and lightly, and see how I'm dab, and then kind of push through, just to press the two together.
Yeah.
I haven't done the bottom yet. Lightly dab, like in the you kind of like dab in the same spot and moving it, not kind of changing the direction. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. By the way, everything always looks messy until we powder it.
How fast I look snatched.
I'm a model and we are filming something really fun. So if you want to know what it's all about, stay tuned. I thought you were going to say something.
I was posing. So funny. I'll be so mean as a makeup artist. Just don't move.
Don't move.
Down. We don't have to actually move the concealer. You're just pressing it in like that.
Get an easy nose job, just like putting nose contour. What type of nose do you want?
So basically with nose contour, I think a common mistake a lot of people make when doing it on themselves, sorry I realized, when doing it on themselves is they start very thin from the top.
You said start from the underneath the eyebrows.
Yes.
And then you go down.
Yes. Also, it depends on everyone's nose shape. So what we'll do is start wide up on top so where her brow bone starts blending into her brows, and then we'll bring it in. We're gonna close it at the end.
So what we did off camera, because the battery is charging, we put blush, we put translucent powder underneath her eyes, put some eyeliner in the waterline, and then did we do anything else?
No, now we're just doing
Yeah, that's it. Now we're just doing the lip liner.
Love that.
That sounds. I changed cameras in the birthday battery, so we're gonna have to.
And then very lightly, blend, blend, blend.
What are we doing now?
So now we're just gonna apply the lipstick. I'm gonna go with like a pinky nude in the center and blend it out with that coffee lip liner color.
That is so pigmented.
I know, how good is it?
Weird. But if you guys didn't know, Crystal actually has her own eyelashes.
You're so
Moira.
cute.
So they're short and then it's like a cat eye. If you want that cat eye foxy look, these are the best for it.
Thank you.
Wait.
Spray. Yeah, make sure you get it all over. Did you spill it everywhere? Oh, that's enough.
Do makeup artists do that on purpose when they go like down?
Yeah, so it spreads evenly.
Yeah.
And
We
then
are
we can film
done.
the final look.
Honestly, give me some space. I feel sassy.
Yeah? Oh, yay.
Do you think I did a good job?
You did amazing. You actually did so good. I'm so proud of you.
Really?
Literally.
They're the same.
What's this? She worked on my side. What do I need to focus on to improve?
I think the most that you would need to practice on, I would say just the way you feel most comfortable holding the brush and the pressure you like using on the face. It's more about blending. And you knew where you were supposed to blend and how to hold the brush. It's just more the way and the angle that you apply it. And that's going to make the biggest difference. Because once you feel confident holding a brush in this way and you know it's going to blend perfectly in your control, nothing's going to stop you. And you need to be more confident in yourself when it comes to eyeliner. Because you're actually so good. Like, you know how to do it. You just have to trust yourself.
The thing is, it's easier on other people. Pretend she's on a Victoria's Secret stage. Ready and action. Thank you so much for taking your time to do her makeup and teaching me how to do this.
Thank you.
Where can they find you?
Like
Social media. Not your house.
At Crystal K Makeup. Yes.
She posts makeup looks, Halloween looks, YouTube makeup tips, everything. If you want to book her for your next, I don't know, event, now you know where to see her.
Baby.
Alright, please like, comment down below any suggestions you have. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my channel, and I post every single week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!